When we have a project going on and it is important for the organization, we always have these pressing questions on our mind. How are we doing? Are we going to finish on time? Is the project going to meet its objectives? How are things going in general in the project? Is it a successful project? All of these are key, important questions that need objective answers, and Method can help you provide an independent perspective on the project and its ability to deliver. With the project health check, what we will do, we will come in and we will do an assessment of the project and provide you information about how well we have been doing, what is the status of the project right now, and what is forecasted for the future. Along with that, we will provide recommendations on what needs to be done to ensure the success of the project and improve our performance. Now, the earlier we are brought in to do this health check, the more value we can provide. One of the examples that come to mind is a financial institution that we were working with, and they had actually an excellent supplier who was going to help them implement an important HR solution at the organization. And this is actually a regional organization where they had actually branches and locations all around the Middle East region. So this had to be done properly, and it was a key project. Our client brought us in early during the planning stage. And at that time, we were able to work with our client to ensure that the planning that has been done by their supplier and by themselves is sufficient to ensure project success. What we found out from our project health check is that there was more attention needed to be put on the scope of the project. Not enough scope definition was done. Meaning, for example, there were certain deliverables that were identified by the supplier. But when we asked specific questions about how can you tell whether this deliverable is a quality deliverable or not, we did not find the answers that we were looking for. We needed specific answers on what would constitute a quality deliverable versus a not so quality deliverable. So we went back and we worked with our client and with the supplier to ensure that there is enough scope definition for every key deliverable on the project. This definition included demonstrations, samples, previous examples, demos that ensure we understand what we are going to get. The result was a client that had the right expectations of what to expect when the project is complete. This made the life of our client easier and the life of our suppliers also on the project much easier.